Detangling technique, finger detangling. Always start with water to loosen your tangles and then section your hair off. Start with one section. Once you get your first section, take that section and add water. Then you'll want to tease the hair. Pull at it to stretch the hair. Then you'll move on to separating the hair. Simply pull the hair apart as gently as you can. Repeat the water, tease, and separating steps until you can get to a spot where you feel comfortable enough to start finger detangling the hair or finger combing the hair. Remember, tease, pull, separate. Now for finger combing. With finger combing, you'll need to tease and separate until you can fully run your fingers through the hair. Not quite ready there, so you go ahead, you tease, pull, and separate until you can fully run your fingers through your hair seamlessly. You should add more water to help your fingers glide through your hair strands as you're trying to finger comb it. Once you get to a place where you can run your fingers through without any tangles or snags, the detangle is complete. You then twist up the hair and move on to the next section. Comment down below any questions you have about this tutorial.